Hey guys, it's Holly with It's a Great Disney Day, where we talk all about ways to plan the best Disney World vacation. If you're new to the channel, be sure and hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you're notified when I upload our weekly videos. You can also find us on Facebook at It's a Great Disney Day. So, over the past few years, there have been additions to the rides in the parks. This has resulted in a change to the FastPass offerings as well as a FastPass tier system. Now, if you're new to Disney and you're not sure what a FastPass and a FastPass tier is, then let me explain briefly. FastPasses are a free and highly recommended option for you to schedule a time to experience an attraction with little to no wait. All 4 parks offer FastPasses, but not every single attraction has the FastPass option. And you are limited with the number of FastPasses you can reserve. The FastPass tier system is the way that Disney categorizes their FastPass attractions. Tier 1 attractions are typically the new or the wildly popular attractions. You can only choose one ride from the Tier 1 category, whereas Tier 2 are the older or less popular attractions. And you get 2 selections from the Tier 2. It's important to note that not all rides that offer FastPass really require a FastPass. So today we're going to talk about which rides offer FastPasses, what the tier systems are at each park, and which FastPasses are highly recommended. Let's start with Animal Kingdom. In 2017, Pandora, the World of Avatar, opened in Animal Kingdom, bringing with it 2 new rides to the park, Na'vi River Journey and Flights of Passage. These are both your Tier 1 attractions in this park, and you can only book one of them. So the recommendation for FastPasses here is going to be Flights of Passage, and then a second choice would be Na'vi River Journey. FastPass one and ride the other one at rope drop or at the end of the day, when the wait time should be lower. In the Tier 2 category, you can select 2 attractions. The best choices here are Kilimanjaro Safari and Expedition Everest. At Hollywood Studios, Toystoryland attractions are the new hot ticket. So these are going to be your new hot ticket Tier 1 attractions. The number 1 FastPass recommendation here is going to be Slinky Dog Dash, but if it's not available, a good second choice would be Alien Swirling Saucers, as it's the other new attraction to Toystoryland. For the Tier 2 attractions, the best FastPass choices are going to be Tower of Terror and Rock and Rollercoaster. And if you have a little princess, you might want to consider Frozen Forever a sing-along celebration. The other Tier 2 attractions might be a waste of a FastPass, as they typically have lower wait times, especially at certain times of the day. At Epcot, all the FastPass choices in Tier 1 are highly popular, making this a park that I like to do over a 2-day period. 3 of my picks for the number 1 FastPass to get is Test Track, Frozen Ever After, and Soarin'. Since you can only pick one from a Tier 1 category, you need to rope drop one and FastPass the other. For your Epcot Tier 2 FastPass selections, the only one that really needs a FastPass would be Spaceship Earth. And depending on crowd levels during your visit, Mission Space might be a good FastPass to get. Now we get to the Magic Kingdom. And there are no FastPass tiers here. And you would think that would be a good thing, right? But there are 25 FastPass opportunities, and you can only choose 3. So let me just tell you the number 1 FastPasses to get. 7 Dwarfs Mine Train, Space Mountain, and Peter Pan's Flight. But it's not the end of the world if you don't get those FastPasses. There are several other great FastPass opportunities that are going to help shave some of your wait times. Rides like Splash Mountain, Big Thunder Mountain, Haunted Mansion, and Pirates of the Caribbean are great FastPass selections. My recommendation is to visit Magic Kingdom over 2 days. I know that's not always possible, but it is the ideal scenario. And even doing it over 2 days, you're still going to need to probably show up at rope drop and ride some of the attractions that you didn't get a chance to get a FastPass for. Be sure and check out some of my other videos on park rides and park tour plans. So what are your FastPass recommendations for the parks? Leave your comments below. Which Magic Kingdom Fast Pass do you think is most important to get? I'll post a link to a poll above. Thanks so much for watching today. I'm Holly for It's a Great Disney Day. See ya!